Hi everyone, this is Dr. Karamachi. I wanted to talk about rights again. I know I made a previous video. Today this is more close to where I work. You know, there are three choppers going around, and there's a lot of people protesting outside the campus today. I had to go around the campus to get inside, and so forth. So, what is the solution to all of this anarchy? I also noticed that some of the doctors are participating in the protest. Um, I personally don't believe that they should be participating, but it's their personal choice. Hi, Patricia. Thanks for watching. So, sorry. So the difficult part is like how do we reconcile both groups? Each like the police are, they probably think that they're right in what they're doing. The protesters think that they're right in what they're doing, and they're probably angry at each other for what has happened. So the best course of action, in my viewpoint, is to practice internal forgiveness and let the legal course take its action. So. So I'm going to talk about and as I told you, if you're having a lot of turmoil and anger around the situation, try to do some forgiveness meditation. And this was posted before. You can use one of the videos. If you can't find it, just post in the comments below. So I wanted to talk about how it's affecting the health. So constant turmoil or stress can cause increased cortisol levels in the body, and it can cause tendency towards high glucose levels and probably pre-diabetes, and probably reduced immunity. And we have gone through the COVID crisis, and it's more or less done, hopefully, because that's not on the news anymore, and we don't hear about all the deaths anymore. So I will recommend you to work on reducing the stress, because this whole thing, whatever is rolling out, this is adding to the already chronic stress that people experience because of COVID, and this will only mess up the immunity and cause more illness, like whether it's from flu or COVID or whatever virus we have in the future, and it will cause more problems. In the last 1 week, our regular volume of patients who are having, heart attacks, strokes, and everything, that has significantly increased. There was one day when the hospital was full, all the beds were full. So we're getting back to the regular volumes with all the regular illnesses that people have. And because of the rioting today, the volume has gone down, but probably tomorrow, day after, once the rioters go away, the volume will go up again. I'm predicting. So how do you protect yourself from stress? You have to have good coping strategies with stress. A big part of it is meditation. A big part of it is mindfulness. A lot of people believe in separation. They think that this particular person is separate from them. We're not separate. We may be separate physically, but at a spiritual level, we're all one. We're one with the planet. We're all one. So if one person is in anger, frustration, or emotional angst, it affects everybody else. So and it works the same way the other way around. If one person is practicing world peace meditation, they're practicing forgiveness, it can bring out it can spread the forgiveness in other people, and also bring about world peace. So and this was verified by research before. So I would recommend you to get into those practices if you're not already doing that. Hey Pam, thanks for your viewpoint. Hi Kalina. So at least you should do it for your own personal peace of mind. We all need some peace of mind and rest at nighttime. And the big part of it is not watching the news and the carnage and everything. So hopefully this will come to an end in the next few days, and we can get back to our normal lives. So think about this from your viewpoint. Think about it from an immunity point of view. You should work on mindfulness, so that this doesn't bother you physically and emotionally. Okay. So look forward to talking to you all again. If you need to reach me privately, send me a DM. Hi, David. Wish you all good luck. Hopefully you're staying out of trouble. Okay. Have a good night. Bye.